Alright, ShqipeBoys, I just picked up this mirror, also a driver's side one, but I won't be needing that one, so I'm gonna sell it. But this is the part that I needed, so I picked up this part. I took it from over here. As you guys can tell, it's not here anymore. And yeah, so I took this apart. So all that's left is just the bare shell over here. So this is gonna be getting hydro dipped right here. We're gonna hydro dip this whole piece. We'll see what we do, probably carbon. All right, boys, I just finished sanding this down. Now it is, I probably should hit a few more spots, but it is now ready to get hydro dipped. But we do have to take off the other one, do the same thing to the other one, and sand it and all that. So yeah.
All right, guys, change of plans. He's wrapping instead of hydro dipping.
All right, guys, it probably isn't the best setup right now, but I'm trying to wrap this mirror cap right now, and it's going somewhat well. I just have to get around this this light and around this little thing, but I might just cut around that because you don't see that part anyway. All right, guys, fully done with the wrap, and obviously there's some spots like here and stuff, but that's gonna be tucked in, and I'm gonna put some glue to pull it in. Yeah, this is what it would look like, except this is the factory turn signal, and I have a fully blacked out one, so it's gonna look way better with that one. But yeah, guys, and then we're gonna hit the other side and then install it.
A few moments later.
Alright, ShqipeBoys, right now we're in the middle of the process, but shut the fuck up, cars. We are removing this. We're removing the mirror housing right here all the way, and then we're just taking out the last screw that I had to drill out. What? Oh. Minus $50 from Daniel's bank account right there. Cold. It's gonna cut me, bro. Watch out, bitch, you're not getting
What
shit.
do you mean?
You're not getting shit. I can do it.
Check out this depressing ass. Once was a mirror. And then
Hey guys, so now we're about to start piecing this piece together. So obviously take these wires, stick them in, yeah, just put this part in. That's all you gotta do. Take these wires, stick them in, yeah, just put this part in. That's all you gotta do.
2,000 years later.
yo, we've been on this for like 7 hours right now. He's taking so long.
Three guys with hoods over here with the guy with the flag. Yo, bro, we're gonna rob this shit. Yo, they see three guys with the hood over here, plus he just put his hood on. They think we're gonna be robbing this shit.
After 30 minutes of finagling, we finally got the little piece on here. This was obviously wrapped
by your boy.
by him.
I don't even want to put my name on his ass. Okay, cash wrap.
Yeah. Now he has to put the back cover on the mirror after putting the front one right there, and it's just a lot of finagling. And
I've been saying that word all day.
Finagling.
Right now, I'm just putting in these heater wires. These are the heated mirror wires. Just tuck these through and then pull them on the other side. And then pull them on the other side. Just like over there. On this side you tuck. On this side you tuck into here. I'm about to put that on Snap.
On the story, on the main. This is a very
tedious
tedious fucking process, boys. But it will get done. I promise you that. Right now he's connecting the signal wire. Right now he's fucking it up. Come on the side. A million times.
Alright guys, I got it.
Alright, you got it. First try.
Oh, please edit it out. Please.
I'm not editing it out. He has to just stuff it in there, and then there you go. Oh, what happened there?
That's just the seal.
Don't let her. Guys, I got the Don't let her.
I'm screwing the light.
Oh, he's screwing the light. He's screwing in the signal, clearly.
Guys, this is the USR Racing turn signal right here. Also, the taillights are USR Racing, so I'm fully USA Racing spec'd out on me.
Okay, right now he's gonna be installing the heating wires that heats up the mirror itself.
Black is on the right.
Alright, this is what it looks like. Well, there's gonna be 2 connections.
Black is on.
Alright, guys, the final product. Look at this side. That looks pretty good. Besides the dirty car, but look, yeah, that looks cool. I wish. And the other side. Yeah, bitch.
I'm fucking with the heavy, man. Fucking with it, man.
Alright. Let me lower the brightness. Can you get out? You're so ugly. Yeah, bro, this is what the taillight looks like. It's a sequential. Regular taillights in the front. Oh, this one's not working. Yeah, there you go. This other one too. Got both of them right here. It doesn't look that very sequential, but trust me, it's quite sequential IRL. Thanks for watching, guys. ShqipeBoys out.
Bye.